Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to share an account on VSCO. So first what you want to do is to open the VSCO application, which is this icon right here. So on your screen or maybe in your menu of apps, if you are using an Android, just click on the VSCO application. Then what you want to do is to go to your profile, which is this smiley face on the bottom in the VSCO app, and here as you can see there's a sharing option, so just click on share. Again, okay, and as you can see you have some options how you can share your VSCO account. Or you can copy a link and send it to someone, or maybe put it in your bio or on Instagram, or on a Facebook, or whenever you want to. So this is it. This is how you can share your VSCO account on VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.